Now we're going to try some blueberries today. We got a big bag of blueberries. I don't remember how many is in here, but it's a good sized bag. And they're frozen and they're kind of hard to use that way. So I wanted to freeze dry them, see if it worked a little better. Put one glove on. The blueberries stain your hands so good. So I kind of split it up amongst the four of them. I've been eating a little bit off of there, but not much because it's frozen. It's kind of hard to use that way. So I want to spread these out as much as I can. We've got a bunch of liquid from what was frozen, and I don't want to use them. They're frozen, and I don't want to run water over them because they kind of lose a lot of the blueberry flavor. Probably going to move some of these around because that's a little bit light compared to some of the other ones. But
now this one's a little heavy.
Yeah.
First one.
However, the more I spread them out, and then I think I'll take, because as a solid shell, they don't freeze as well inside. So what I thought I'd do is once I get them here, I'm going to push down on them, try and break the skins a little bit. And like when we did like lemons and stuff like that, they didn't dry quite as well.
I'd spread this out.
Yeah. Right now I'm just kind of crushing some of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, spread them out a little bit. And then what we had to do, I think it was lemons or limes or something, I forget which one it was now. But we had to, because there's so much sugar in it, we actually had to send it through the food processor, blend it up, and then do it again.
I don't remember.
I don't remember which one it was I did that with, but one of them, there was just so much sugar in them, any of your high sugar stuff. I think I tried to do, it might have been mandarin oranges I tried to do.
Yeah, I think it
sliced, and
might have
they
been.
just didn't work, and I had to split them up, and then grind them up a little bit. And so we're going to go with this. I did have the freeze dryer on earlier, cooling, but kind of hard to do a video when that fan's blowing in the background. So I'm going to take this, we'll put them in there, we'll start it back up, and I'll carry one over time just because I don't open the door up. And we'll put these in here and carry the others too.
Oh, yeah. Sunlight coming in the kitchen window. Bright. And then the lights on too. There it comes, two more.
With all that liquid in there, you gotta make sure I don't spill them.
Right.
It stayed full real good.
Sunny day out there.
Oh, it did work, but it got blueberry on it. Alright. Now we're going to let it go a little bit. We can actually don't need to let it cool down if we get that little thing there. Close drain and make sure all of these are
Closed.
I don't know what you do if you want to do this because
It'll come out. It was just all in the way all the time. The bottle. Oh, right. Well, you really don't need it right now, but.
there we go. I just used the default settings. I did have I increased a little bit of time over the defaults for the dry time. because a lot of these things leave it longer drying time, and it don't hurt
Right.
to dry them extra. Lots of what you do is you can weigh the tray and get a weight before you start, and then keep drying it and keep weighing it. Once the weight quits going down, you know it's completely dry.
Oh,
But I just kind of do it by feel. Having any trouble with that, because if it doesn't flake up real good, then we'll see when it comes back. So once we get this dried and finished, it'll probably be a day or two anyway before it gets done, and then we'll come back and we'll show you what it looks like once we pull them out.
and package them up.
Yep. Well, we run it, and then I put some more time on it, and then run some more time just because it's doing other things. They run it for about a day. Yeah, these are breaking up real nice today. Earlier there's getting my fingers a little bit dirty, but oops, got some on the floor.
Oh, lovely. I would have got one of them thin spatulas myself. So about a tray will fit in a pint or a pint, whatever.
Yep, looks like it.
That one had a lot of water on it. You see that?
Yeah.
Seal it up.
Yep, just gotta label it. We're done. That bag made basically 2 pints plus what we put in there, which is maybe about another pint.
Yep.
But we'll vacuum seal those here, and that's all ready to go. We'll put that in our storage, and with the rim and the rubber, it makes them seal a little bit better. Seal. You'll tell when that pops off like that, it's probably sealed good.
Yep.
I always like to wait a couple days just to make sure it did seal before I put it down where the rest of stuff's stored at. But anyway, that's what we've got now. Unlatch that.
Freeze dried blueberries.